How to make Halloween cookie pops. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. 12 sandwich cookies, 2 tablespoons melted white chocolate chips, 2 cups white chocolate chips, black decorative tube icing, 12 cake pop sticks. Step 2. Line a baking sheet with waxed paper. Step 3. Divide the cookies. Step 4. Place about a half a teaspoon of melted chocolate on one side of the cookie. Step 5. Place stick on chocolate and reassemble. Step 6. Let the cookies sit until the chocolate has hardened and the sticks are firmly attached. Step 7. Melt remaining white chocolate chips. Step 8. Dip the cookies into the melted chocolate and let sit until hardened. Step 9. Using the black icing, draw a skeleton face onto the cookie. Enjoy! Let us know what you think in the comments below.